Good afternoon, children. Are you all online? Today, especially, I want to bid good afternoon to Mr. Gopal because yesterday he asked a special question that was very necessary for all the students. So, it could not be possible for me to write all the rules of optative sentence. So today I have written on the blackboard and I advise you to start to copy out and also listen to me. First of all, there are some special rules of a speech which help us to change from direct into indirect speech of optative sentence. Please write. Now, rules number first, the verb of reporting a speech. The verb of reporting a speech is changed according to the meaning in like curse, bless, pray, wish, and that is used in a state of inverted comma because it is not necessary to put inverted comma in indirect speech. Now, rules number third. Optative sentence is changed into assertive sentence by keeping the other rules in mind. And may is changed into might because might is the past form of may. Please write. By then I am writing the example. The first example, he said to me, may you live long. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, may you live long. And therefore, by using the rules, we will have used place. He blessed me that I might live long. I second person is changed into the person of the object of reporting a speech, and may is changed into might because might is the past form of may. Now I am going to write the second example. The second example is, he said to him, may you die. He said to him, inverted comma, may you die. In this sentence, may you die, it means the speaker cursed him. So I will write here, cursed he, cursed him, that he might die. Full stop. Please write. And today I want to talk to Mr. Gopal. Mr. Gopal, have you decided to become an IFS officer because you can spread your father's name by becoming an IFS officer. Your office, suppose you will become a big officer, by then your office will be in America and you will have to do the work for the country. Suppose the things which are not available in our country and the things which are available in America, you can send the things for the people of the country, and like the same the things which are available in our country and which are not available in America, by then you can fulfill all the necessities thing in both the country for both the people. Therefore, I am of the opinion that you should try your best to become an IFS officer. I think nobody will prevent you from becoming a big officer. I think God has sent you to run the country. May God bless you, and perhaps you will listen to me and you will try your best to become at least an IS officer, because you can help the poor people of the country by serving or in the form of an IS. One thing some students told me that they don't need money, they need only education. Because yesterday in the end I blessed all of you by saying, may God bless you with a large sum of money and education. But listen to me, today I am going to tell you that money is very necessary. If you want to put your estate out of your house, money will be needed. While I was a student, my teacher used to teach me money is better than something, but not everything. But I think the things is the opposite nowadays. Nowadays money has become all the things. If you have money, you can get the respect in the society, you can get all the things. But if you have not money, by then nobody will ask for anything. So money is needed. If you have money, you can become the prime minister. If you have money, you can become the chief minister by spending a large sum of money, by distributing the money among the poor. Because nowadays in our country, votes are purchased. So, Mr. Gopal or all of you, I want to advise that please start to read at your heart and try your best to become the richest person of the world. By then, you would be able to help me while I will grow old. By then, I will go to you to ask for help. By then, you would be able to help me. If you would have not money, even I will not go to you ask for. Nowadays you are reading and I am teaching. Money is needed. If you are able or your father is paying the tuition fee, therefore I am teaching. If your father will stop to pay the tuition fee, I will stop to teach you. This is the reality. Therefore, I think for all of you, money and education both are necessary. Thank you very much. It is enough for today. I have told you the things of 1 crore of rupees. Thank you.